introduce you to my right hand. This is the straight. This is the hook. However, Korihara pushing the pace. Uppercuts to the body. Overhands from Korihara. Now he has Saludar against the corner.
Nice!
Saludar needs to get out of there. Hooks to the face by Froilan Saludar.
But it's a...
That is a very good overhand right by Korihara.
Dapat umalis si Froilan dyan.
That's right. But it's fighting fire with fire.
Parang sino na lang yung unang bibigay. Korihara has Froilan against the corner. Saludar goes down.
And I guess this is it.
Saludar doesn't go up.
And a well-deserved victory for Tita Korihara.
For Tita Korihara.
Ang dami rin tinamo ni Froilan na suntok talaga.
Daming tinanggap, no? Pero ayaw bumagsak talaga. Up until the very end, he kept swinging.
Hindi na natin alam.
You can't take anything away from Froilan Saludar.